talk about it. Your boy's been a Christian quite a few years. Victory in faith, but I failed in my fears. I heard a lot of words that have tickled many ears. That's why I praise God for the word that we adhere. The word became flesh, lived for 30 years. Died at 33, but after days reappeared. Jesus Christ, anointed one, ascended in the ear. Or you could say the air, where the Father made him heir. Of all things, the throne, no, it's more than a chair. But after our redemption, yes, he did take a chair. Greater than the angels, named superior to theirs. This is Hebrews
chapter 1, lift your care.
I'm leaning to the right, the light is where I'm running. I thought I wanted life, drunk, love, stout and blunted. But all I really wanted was the one who really wanted. Fought death, beat it, gave his life to the public. I love it, I love it.
Angels surrounding his throne, and worthy is the Lamb was slain. The whole earth is full of his glory. All nations bow to his name. His majesty fills the heavens. Our hearts thunder his praise. Declare the Lord is forever. Make a joyful noise in
Man, I'm trying to lift them high, higher than the stars. I am not of this world, like I'm from the planet Mars. I love to preach Jesus, you can read it in my bar. I'm pretty straightforward when I'm speaking about my Lord. He paid the sin price, being beat by Roman guards. But when he resurrected, gave us life free of charge. Now me and my boys need to be in the psych ward. Cause we went crazy for God, our lives were scarred. Now in the book of life, our names have been written down. We're casting our crowns before his feet on the ground. It's such a holy melody and a heavenly sound. Hearing holy, holy, holy coming out of the mouth of the four living creatures by his throne all around. Can you picture the scene that this is how it's going down? You just need a little faith and a new set of eyes and a telescopic lens to look in and see God. I love you, I love you.
angels surrounding his throne, and worthy is the Lamb was slain. The whole earth is full of his glory. All nations bow to his name. His majesty fills the heavens. Our hearts give thunder his praise. Declare the Lord is forever. Make a joyful noise in his praise.
One day we gon' be out, man. Like 3 strikes at home, son. Like a home run. Christ is King, Lion, Lamb, God, man. Sin conqueror, grave conqueror, Satan conquered. Can take a sinner, atheist sinner to God conscious. Can take nothing, make creation and lives honor. The same God that came through a fetus is Jesus. Limited to breathing, got believers singing.